over the river and through the woods, your tranquil wellness escape awaits. Step into your spring and summer sanctuary at Paradise Park, Atlanta. It's perfect for families, teams, groups, or simply just you. At the majestic Paradise Park, Atlanta, we deliver more than just a retreat. We create a transformational wellness experience that's premium and exclusive. Our programs are designed to leave you fully rejuvenated, radiant, and ready to reclaim your best self. These one-day or multi-day experiences are customizable for individuals, couples, groups, or team. This premium experience is crafted just for you.